Hey, welcome back to Grown Right Farm. I'm Peter and we're about to inspect one of our older hives. It's got one deep 10 frame and a super. So we'll be feeding them today. I have a little fondant patty for them we'll put in there. It's a nice warm day, so it's a good day in the fall to inspect them. All right, let's get to it. All right, let's crack them open. Gonna set that down there. Oh, they're kind of quiet. Whoa. It's been pretty sticky. We've had a few cold days, so the propolis has definitely gotten harder. Start taking the frames out. Let's see, so they've definitely started to do stuff up here. I'm just gonna crack some of these and get in the middle. That looks nice. Alright. Ooh, sticky. Alright, so that's a good one. They're definitely building up honey, waxing it over. Ooh. Not bad. Just keep going down that line. Ooh, that's a nice heavier one too. You see that? Bring the camera over here. Nice. It's good. No queen up in the top super right now. At least that we've seen on some of our other hives. And we're at the stage right now in the fall where they're not laying either, so we don't really see any brood. I caught sight of one drone in our other hive, which was funny. I think he was just about the only male bee. All right, another good frame. Oh, they have definitely built up their nectar and honey for the winter. Another good one. These are stuck together. Oh, come on, frame. There we go. Well, I would say that they are ready for the winter. I'm going to take a look at two more frames here that look like they have stuff on them. Then we'll get into the brood box. A small bit on there. It's another good one. Alright. These frames. Sticky. Alright, that one's pretty much empty. So that's alright. They have plenty of stores on pretty much all of those frames there. Alright, now let's get into the brood box. See if we can't find the queen. See if she's laying at all. I'm not surprised if she isn't. got some heft to it. It's good. Let me set this here. They've been pretty calm. That's been nice too. I'm gonna snag out a couple of these frames. Put them on the perch here. These are pretty much empty. I would say they're working on, I don't know what's that, 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're like a 6-frame hive right now. But they've got plenty of stuff up in the super. I don't know why I grabbed that one first. There we go. Alright, let's get into the middle. Alright, hopefully they don't get worked up too much. But they've been nice so far. That with my fingers. Well, that's a hefty one. You get a good look at that. Lots of wax over honey, lots of nectar. It's real good for the season. I think it's better in the sun. It's good. Sweet. All right, let's see if the queen won't be on one of these. Seeing her yet. Get a good shot right there. Plenty of bees, that's for sure. No queen yet. Sticky. Look out for the queen, looking for brood if there is any, which I don't see right now. It's normal for mid to late November here in Georgia. Yep, no eggs. Oh, come on, it would be good to see the queen though. That would be nice. Maybe she's on the next one. And like I said, just about all these frames have been really sticky. They've been working up their propolis for the winter, I guess. Alright, that's a pretty shot right there. I don't see the queen. She's on the other side. Pretty. All right, they're doing very well. They have lots of bees for the winter. Their population is up. It's good. Oh, gracious. Ooh. Almost dropped that frame. couple of hive beetles, which that's okay. They're managing them. Oh, I still do not see her queen. Gotta be in there. We must have missed her. Or she's in the top. Who knows? Take a look at one more frame. It's pretty empty. Yeah, plenty of work to do still, but they're doing it. All right, so I'm gonna push all these back together and we'll get this hive back together, and once we do, I'm gonna put that sugar patty for them. Even though they're doing so well, I'm gonna end up giving them some more sugar because they're some good girls. Push them all towards the middle, each corner. All right, now I'm gonna throw that super back on. Well, it's stuck to the bench, obviously. Okay. All right, nice and easy. All right, so what I'll do here, I'll give them their original inner cover, and then what we'll do, I have this sugar patty that we made. We made a bunch. We used like 10 pounds of sugar and not a lot of water. Just stick that kind of to cover half of that hole so that still it keeps them warm on those cold nights. And what then we'll do is throw this little super over top. Be able to have them enough space to get into this. Give it some pokes so they can access it, and you're not going to have sugar all over the place. Alright, that ought to be good. And they'll find that. Alright, we're going to put one more inner cover. Look at that, they grew overnight. Oh, so tall. Alright, and that's this hive, the good 10 frame hive. Alright, well, thanks for watching on this 10 frame hive inspection. Kind of to wrap it up, we didn't find the queen, and she's not laying brood, but that's normal for this time, so that's all right if you see your hive doing the same thing around fall, early winter. But please like, comment, subscribe, ask any questions if you have any, and we'll catch you guys next time.